Greetings, everyone. The Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Aaron Mtsoaledi, he has lost the case over the Zimbabwe exemption permits. You'll recall that on the 25th of November 2021, an announcement was made by Cabinet that it was going to discontinue with the Zimbabwe exemption permits. Helen Suzman Foundation, Consortium for Refugees and others took the Department of Home Affairs and the Minister to court over the issue. The High Court in Pretoria ruled in favor of Helen Suzman Foundation, Consortium for Refugees, against the Minister and the Department of Home Affairs and others. The Minister then decided to appeal the judgment in the Supreme Court in Bloemfontein. He has since lost the appeal. I've not yet seen the statement by the Department of Home Affairs on what action to take. But when we were discussing the judgment in this YouTube channel, we said that those that are holders of the Zimbabwe exemption permits should apply in terms of the guidelines that have been outlined by the Department of Home Affairs, because the High Court did not say government does not have a right to discontinue with the Zimbabwe exemption permits, but it said the process of announcing to discontinue with the Zimbabwe exemption permits was not fair, in that there was no proper consultation. And then we said after that Pretoria High Court judgment that holders of Zimbabwe exemption permits must apply in line with the guidelines that have been provided by the Department of Home Affairs. These guidelines include the applying for a waiver so that one is able to move to other visas. And since then, government has extended the validity of the Zimbabwe exemption permits. It has also introduced an exemption for those holders of ZEP who might not want to continue staying in South Africa. This will expire in November 2025. That is, if you did not apply for a waiver, as we have been explaining, you need to apply for an exemption. But if you have applied for a waiver, you have a receipt, you have applied for another visa, and you are waiting for the outcome of your application, you need to wait for the outcome of the application before you can apply for the exemption. Or only if your waiver has been rejected, your waiver application has been rejected, or your visa application has been rejected, you can then apply for the exemption. So we will be watching what the Department of Home Affairs will do. We will hope to get their statement as soon as it is available. Otherwise, continue to apply in terms of the guidelines that the department has provided. We know that there are delays in issuing for the waiver outcomes. People who applied in December 2021, people who applied in 2022, early 2022, they are still waiting for the outcome of their waivers, and we're engaging the Department of Home Affairs to understand why there's this huge delay 2 years after people have applied for the waivers. Otherwise, have a great day. Goodbye.